Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover TCS NQT 2026. And if you watch this video till the end, you can boost your chances of selection by 2x because I am going to show you the exact pattern, most expected questions and coding problems that can decide your selection. First, let's understand what actually comes in the TCS NQT exam: aptitude, verbal reasoning, programming logic, and coding most important. You will get around 180 minutes, and coding alone can make you or break your result. First section will be aptitude. Let's start with the aptitude, the most time-consuming section. Show 2-3 questions quickly. Questions are mainly from percentage, profit and loss, time and work, probability. And if you master just these topics, you can easily score 70 plus marks. So let's start with the first section, that is aptitude. So this is the pattern I am showing on you on the video. Okay, if you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. So first one is numerical aptitude, numerical ability, aptitude questions. First, I will show you the most probably asked before, and then 50 plus questions for your preparation. Okay, so if you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number. First one is the number is increased by 20% and then increased by 20%. What is the needs? Answer is 4% decrease. Trick 20% into 20%, 4% loss होगा. ठीक है. Profit and loss. A shopkeeper marks item 40% above cost price and gives a discount of 20%. What is his profit percent? Answer is 12%. Okay. Time and work. A can complete a work in 10 days and B in 15 days. In how many days will they complete together? In 6 days. Okay. Next, time, speed and distance. A train of length 120 meter crosses a pole in 6 seconds. What is its speed? 72 km per hour. What is the probability of getting a number divisible by 2 when a die is rolled? 1 by 2. Find the remainder when 7 to the power 3 is divided by 5. Answer is 3. Data interpretation. A company revenue increases from 200 to 260. What is the percentage increase? 30%. Ratio and proportion. Ratio of A ratio B and is 3:5. If A is 45, then find the B. A is 75. Average question. Average of 5 number is 20. If one number is removed, average become 18. Find removed number, that is 28. Permutation and combination. In how many ways can students be selected from 5? 10. Answer is 10. So, simple interest. Find SI on 1000 at 10% for 2 years. 200. Answer. Mixture. Mixture contains milk and water in ratio 4:1. If 5 liter water is added, ratio becomes 4:3. Find initial mixture. 15 liter. Now we will cover 50 TCS NQT level aptitude MCQs with answer. So you will practice more efficiently and you get maximum numbers in the aptitude round. First, increase 500 by 10%. Answer is 10% of 500 is 50. 500 plus 50 is 550. मतलब आपको 500 10% ऐड करना है. तो 10% क्या होता है? 50 होता है. तो 500 में आप 50 ऐड कर दोगे तो 550 हो जाएगा. डिक्रीज 800 बाय 25%. सेम लॉजिक. इसका आंसर होगा 600. ओके, तो 800 में से आप 25% निकाल देंगे, मतलब कि 200 निकाल देंगे, तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 600. If salary increases from 2000 to 2600, percentage increase. Answer is 30%. अगर हम 2000 से 2600 हमारी सैलरी होती है तो कितना परसेंट इंक्रीज होता है? तो 600 का परसेंटेज कितना होता है? 30%. ओके, 30% इंक्रीज हो जाता है. आप कैलकुलेशन दे सकते हैं. A number decreases by 20%, then increase by 20%. नेट चेंज. क्या नेट चेंज होगा जब डिक्रीज हो जाता है नंबर 20% पहले, फिर इंक्रीज होता है 20% बाद में, तो टोटल 4% को नेट चेंज होगा. ठीक है ना. 40% ऑफ नंबर इज 80. फाइंड नंबर. आंसर इज 200. ठीक है. 40% of 80 is 200. Profit and loss, CP is 100, SP is 120% is 20%. CP is 500, loss 10%, SP is 450. Okay. Marked 1000 discount 20%, SP is 800. Profit 25% on CP 200, 250 answer. Loss 20%, SP 400, CP is 500. When work A 10 days 1 day work, okay 1/10 हो जाएगा. A of 10 days, B is 20 days together. मतलब कि A वर्क करता है 10 लिए, B वर्क करता है 20 दिन के लिए, तो दोनों साथ में कितने दिन काम करेंगे और कितने डेज में कंप्लीट कर देंगे, ये एक आंसर. ठीक है, ये शॉर्ट ट्रिक है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. A does half work in 5 days, तो पूरे दिन कितना करेगा, कितने दिन में करेगा, 10 दिन में. A 12 डेज में कंप्लीट करता है, B 60 डेज में कंप्लीट करता है, और दोनों मिलकर करेंगे तो 4 दिन में हो जाएगा. A does work in 8 days, B in 16 days. Who faster? A is faster. Speed, time, distance. Speed is 60 km/h, time 2 hour, and distance is 120 km/h. Formula लगाएंगे, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. Or you can change distance equals to speed upon time into time. Distance is 150 km/h. 150 km. Speed is 50 km/h and time is 3 hours. 72 km/h and speed is 120 meter per second. Train 100 meter crosses pole in 5 seconds. Speed कितनी होगी, 20 meter per second. Speed double, time will be half. Okay. Probability of head in coin 1/2. Die number कितने होते हैं, 4. 2/6, 1/3. Red ball from 3 red 2 blue. तो 3 रेड है 2 ब्लू है, 5 हो गए, और अपन को रेड बॉल डिसाइड करना है तो 3/5. नॉट गेटिंग 6, 5/6, क्योंकि 1 निकाल देंगे, एक बार 6 आ सकता है, 6 के 6 बार 6 नहीं आ सकता ना, तो 5/6 प्रोबेबिलिटी हो जाएगी. इवन नंबर इन डाई. इवन नंबर कितने होते हैं डाई में, 1 2 3 4 5 6 में, 2 4 6, 1/2. Okay, 3/6, 1/2. Remainder of 9 square divided by 4, 1. SCF of 12, 18, 6. LCM of 4, 6, 12. 2 cube into 2 quadrate is equal to 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. Prime number 17, जो कि खुद के टेबल में आते हैं. Average of 10, 20, 30, 20. Center number will be average. Okay. Sum 100 and is 5. Average क्या निकलेगा, 20. डिवाइड कर देंगे. Sum of observation upon total number of observation. Average 4, nums 25 and sum is 100. New average after adding 50. Thus remove smaller number, averages increases. Ratio 2/3, total 50, first 20. 5/7, total parts 12 होंगे. A/B 4/5. B is 50. Then A is 40. 5 is equal to 40. 5 is equal to 50 means 1 is equal to 10 and 4 is equal to 40. Ratio doubled, same. 3/4. X ratio 20 and X is equal to 4 is equal to 20. Then X equals to 15 because 1 is equal to 5. SI and CI. SI PRT by 100 फॉर्मूला है, ठीक है ना. प्रिंसिपल रेट एंड टाइम. SI on 1000 10% 1 year. 100 आंसर जाएगा. CI for 2 years higher than SI. रेट डबल हो जाएंगे, SI डबल हो जाएगी, टाइम डबल जाएगा तो SI डबल हो जाएगा. मिक्सचर एंड मिसलेनियस. 50% ऑफ वाटर हाफ हो जाएगा. एड वाटर मिल्क परसेंटेज डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. रिमूव वाटर, रिमूव पार्ट, रेशियो चेंजेस हो जाएगा. एलिगेशन रूल शॉर्टकट एंड मिक्सचर प्रॉब्लम्स रेशियो बेस्ड. अगर आप ये 50 क्वेश्चन कर लिए, आप TCS NQT एप्टीट्यूड क्लियर कर सकते हो 100%, ठीक है ना. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो 5 PDFs which can make you 100% qualify for the aptitude round. So for those PDF you can message me on the WhatsApp number